with Mike Herold from Ricoh, and we're talking about various things of Print 13 and the InfoPrint 5000 at the show. Tell me about it and all of our viewers. What's that doing for you?
Thanks for asking, Roger, and we're excited to be here at the show and looking forward to a strong set of opportunities to talk to customers here while we're here. And so we're showing the InfoPrint 5000 AD34 is the model that we've got on the floor here, and we're always like the print show because we actually showed this platform for the first time here in 2006 as a technology demonstration, and then over the years we've continued to add to it and upgrade and
refinements, what have you.
Make some refinements, do some things like that, absolutely. And so this year we're kind of concentrating on two things. One is productivity improvements. The second is print quality improvements as well too. So we've got the system in a new configuration that we have not shown before, combined with some pre-post from our partner LazyMax Roll Systems that has not been shown before as well. And so we're really demonstrating to our customers, commitments we've made, investments in the platform, and doing new and unique things to help them out. So we're excited to have some people stop by and have some conversations about it.
You were recently named market share leader for the 5th year in a row. What are you doing for next year?
Yeah, we are excited about that. So market share, obviously, that's a great metric to have in the back pocket, so to speak. But we also concentrate a lot on growing out a referenceable install base. So that's a key metric for us as well. In fact, we concentrate more on that, as then that also probably gives us the return of market share. But we want to grow that concentration out of customers who are dedicated to telling our story and how we've helped them transform their business. And so what we intend to do then is continue that throughout 2014, right? Doing the same things that we've done since we brought this program to market in terms of being responsive to customers, building out new capabilities, and helping new and existing customers do new and unique things with this type of platform.
Now, Ricoh's had a lot of success with the continuous form type of process. Why is that? Is that just a niche that you've carved out?
I think that goes to our legacy, right?
Okay.
In terms of what we've done over the years in terms of continuous forms capability and the things that we brought to market over time, and how, again, we kind of innovate, we listen to our customers, we bring through things to the marketplace, and we do that in a way that makes sense, right? Because one of the things with Inkjet Technologies, it's very flexible, very modular. There's a lot of different things we could do with it. And so what we do is concentrate on what are our existing customers telling us and what are potential customers telling us so that we know what to do with the platform and take that into the future.
What do you think is, speaking of future, what do you think is, where do you think the graphics industry is headed?
Yeah, that's a great question, Roger. We're looking at that all the time, right? And because if we look at what's happening in the digital print market space, in all honesty, I think most people know that if you look at the transaction pages, they're relatively flat. Some might even say they're declining. We see very good growth in the color segment of that space in terms of what's happening with color production transaction pages. But where we see even stronger growth is in the graphics communication industry in terms of commercial print and books and those other types of applications. And where we see that going is where applications exist that are really adding value to the communication with the customer and the ability to say, I want to deliver something to that customer and get them to act on something, either change their behavior, go buy something, whatever it happens to be. And so where we see the most growth, of course, is true value to the one-to-one customer, meaning delivering down, or the metric is down to the individual, and how you can and provide that individual with something valuable. And so that's where we see the growth.
Well, now, speaking of customers, what kind of feedback have you been getting at your exhibit here at Print 13?
Yeah, very, very good feedback. We had a surprisingly busy day yesterday for a Sunday. Usually it's a little slow when we get started on a Sunday, but it looks very good so far. We had a strong showing yesterday. The rest of the week looks very, very strong. We're encouraged by that. We're encouraged by what we see in terms of meetings upcoming at the show. We're also encouraged by activity we see in general in the marketplace in terms of the number of customers that we're now engaged with. Obviously, we hope that's a strong sign for our own business, but we also hope it's a strong sign for the industry overall, because that's very important as well.
Well, Mike, it's been a pleasure talking to you, and appreciate you taking the time to stop by.
Absolutely.
MyPrintResource.com and telling us all about your product line at Ricoh.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yep.